This is Abhishek Sharma, and this is CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript, and this is my project number 2, the child application Flack. So right now I will run my Python script here, and when I run that I will go here, so I can register for a username or display name, whatever. So I'll go for Alice. So I can go here and I can see active now. I'm only active. I will go for the requirements. When a user visits my web application, they should be prompted for the display name in the first time, and I've just shown that, and that will be associated with him. If he closes the page and returns to the app later, he will again see that. So let me copy this, so that I will need this tab later. So I'm closing the browser, so I'm opening the browser again, and it is redirected back, and you can see here active now. So I'm only active, so it means it is remembered. So let's go for another one, and that is any user should be able to create a channel, so as long as its name does not conflict with the name of the existing channel. And so now I will make a channel. Let's say this my room, and my room is added. So it is my room. So if I go for global, so that is duplicate, it will not be allowed. I'm gonna check that. So duplicate room name, so it will not be allowed. So like that I can see that my room here. So I'll go for the another one. So the user should be able to see the list of all channels, and selecting one should be like viewing that channel. So I go for the global. I can see here some of the messages. These are some of the messages that I can see here. These are the test messages, and these are also the test messages. I can go to just now made room, my room. The test messages are here. These are the test messages, and so I will go for another one now. Once a channel is selected, so users should see the messages that have been in that channel up to 100 messages. Yes, I can see the messages here, and it will be up to 100 messages. In order to verify that, I will show you the code which does that. So I'm checking here for up to 100 messages. If it is more than that, I will delete the messages here by list slicing, and this is for the private messages, which is one of the personal touch that I've done. This is for the messages of the rooms, and if it is greater than 100, it will be again deleted. The older one will be deleted. So for the another one, so once in a channel, users should be able to send text message to each other, and there should be display name, timestamp associated with it. All users must be then able to see that without loading the page. So I'll go for another one. So let's open that in the incognito mode. Let's say him to be Chris. So you can see Alice here active. So I'll go for like global, and I'm already in global, I can see here also. So now type a message here, or I will do here smile. This one also smile. So yes, I will type here hey. You can see that here hey, and here Alice is replying here hey. So now what will Chris say? Hey, hi Alice. Hi Alice. So Chris says hi Alice, and Chris says hi Alice. So I can see that, I think. And here Alice can say hello again. So I can see the message by the Chris. So it's small, that's why I have to do that. Let's make it a bit I cannot do that. So hello again. Okay, so I can see that, by the way. So you got the idea. let's make this big. So I'll go for another one. Remembering the channel, if a user is on a channel page, closes the web browser window and goes back to my web application, it should again be drawn to the same channel. So I'm right now in the global channel. Let's go to now test room or whatever. I'm going for the test room now. I will close this. I will even copy this, and I will even close the browser. So let's close this also. So I'll close the browser, and then I'm going for same. So I'm now taken back to the test room again. So if I were like in test 1 2 3 and I close the browser and I open that back again, I'll be taken to same test 1 2 3. Yes, test 1 2 3 again. So it is how it works. So for the another one, it is now personal touch. So I've added the personal touch of the private messages. So I could choose one of the from the possibilities, or I could even have my own idea, but I chose the private messaging between two users. I could show that now. I will make this again smaller. So now, like incognito, and then putting that back again, and then I will put here a name like ABCD. So simple name is that. So it's ABCD, and he can see here that the previous message is from the global room. So I could verify that once again, the hey Alice. So right now I'm going for the personal touch, by the way. So I could see here Alice is on. So he and ABCD himself, and now I can click to Alice to speak with Alice. Nothing there right now, so it is empty. So I can now say Alice, hey Alice, hey Alice, and I can submit that. It is there popping up, and then I can see here nothing because I'm right now in test 1 2 3, so I'm not seeing any messages of ABCD. But if I go to ABCD, click here, then I can see here ABCD. So now I will chat with ABCD. Hey ABCD. So I will now submit that. So I can see here hey ABCD in the ABCD chat, and in Alice chat also I can see that. So it is how it works. And